Welcome back to the VoroMotors Community Update. Since 2023 is coming to an end, let's start this one out with a recap of all the highlights that happened this year.
3, 2, 1.
Let's get straight into it by talking numbers. On YouTube, we've doubled our subscriber count from 6,000 to 12,000. Which means that if we want to say the same thing at the end of 2024, I need 12,000 more of you guys to hit that subscriber button starting today. We now have 5 locations fully operated by VoroMotors. At the beginning of the year, we only had our headquarters based here in LA, as well as our store out in New York. But now we're proud to have new locations in Hawaii and Australia, as well as our new factory. With more locations means that we've cracked over 100 employees. Plus, our amount of service centers have grown to over a dozen now, meaning that you can get your scooters repaired quicker and closer to you. Numbers aside, everyone in-house has grown in terms of structure, skill, and efficiency over the past year, which is really great to see. Even I feel like I've gotten better on. Clearly, I have. Even I feel like I've gotten better on camera. I've gotten better on camera, right, Mike?
I don't know about that.
Okay, Mike. Well, you didn't have to hurt my feelings, but. You guys let me know down in the comments. I know I've gotten better. I feel like you guys think that I've gotten better. But if you want to flame me, you can flame me. It's fine. I'll just cry myself to sleep and find your address. And kill you. We've also made a lot of new friends, relationships, and collaborations along the way. In Hawaii, we helped the good folks over there, Hans and Jay, start Hawaii PEV after our ride from Maui. We've also gained more Voro certified dealers with Wire Rides opening a new store, Wheels End expanding their store for the 3rd time, and Hyper Rides opening another location up in NorCal. Plus, in October, we helped Rider Guide host the first ever Rider Fest. We also launched a few new scooters this year. Most recently, we launched eMove's newest flagship scooter, the Roadster. With it being the fastest production scooter in the world, the eMove Roadster is flipping the industry upside down. And we're super glad to see everybody enjoying it, so if you want to check it out for yourself, make sure you come to see it in person in LA or New York. And earlier this year, we released the updated version of the Roadrunner and the Roadrunner V2, as well as its older brother, the Roadrunner Pro. And a fun fact about the Roadrunner Pro is that we've received 0 reports of any battery or core function defects, which means it's a big success for a new product. Outside of eMove, we struck a deal with InMotion earlier this year to release our own edition of the RS, which we call the RS Midnight. And speaking of deals, we also struck a deal with PMT, meaning that we'll have racing tires available for most of our scooters down the road. And my favorite fun fact of the year, we've managed to ship over 50,000 of these rubber duckies. Well, those are just a few fun facts from this year, but it's time to stop reminiscing and start looking forward to the new year with January's updates. Starting our updates out with the inventory, all of our available Roadsters have officially been delivered. Plus, we have Wolf King GTRs and RS Midnights in stock, but we only have a few left, so you better act fast before we run out. Let's get into some new products for you guys, starting out with some Roadrunner Pro accessories. We now have a new pizza bag that fits the Pro frame, coming in 3 different colors, as well as a whole bunch of Velcro patches that you can slap on there that are sold separately. We now carry these comfy, cozy, and stylish riding gloves that have touchscreen compatible fingertips, as well as these gel foam pads in case you ever fall. These things will make you a better and safer rider. Excuse me. Agua. Damn. There's raspy. All right. On the website side of things, we now have a more interactive search bar with AI recommendations that can help pinpoint the exact product that you're looking for. Plus, if you're an intellectual like me who actually enjoys reading, feel free to check out our blog page. We have tons of mind-blowing and fascinating articles for you to see on our website. Out in Hawaii, the Roadrunner V2 is back in stock. Plus, we also accept cash payments over there now.
How did you get here?
Melvin transferred me. But anyway, let's get back to business. Over here in Brooklyn, the eMove Roadster is here, so make sure you come by and check it out in person. Plus, we're looking to hire somebody who can work both as a technician repairing our scooters, as well as somebody who can work out here in the front doing customer service. So if this is something you're interested in, please apply. We're also running an insane discount where you can get any Dualtron available for $100 on top of the original discount for store pickup only. And finally, let's finish things off with a quick factory update. As Melvin mentioned last month, we just finished completing the building of our first automated assembly line. That means we're one step closer to having our very own factory. Let's go, boys. How to end the last video of 2023. Well, I'll say this. I'd like to say a huge thank you for myself personally, and I'll say thank you for Mike too behind the camera, because I know that we've really enjoyed making content for you guys, and I really appreciate all of you guys for joining us on our journey, and I hope that we can continue to make even better content for you guys next year. So for one last time, until next time, happy riding.